Guess what time it is? Time to do another unboxing of the Disney Doorables. Put my dog there. 4 of them today. 4 box. Oh no. Excuse me. 3 boxes today. I had 4, but I put 1 back. And I need to complete my series. So from this column, I need Dale. That's it. This column is done. This column is done. From this column, I need Boo. From this column, I need Minnie Mouse. And then this column is done. Come on. This is the first one. No repeats, no repeats. Newbies. Let's finish my series. Come on. Finish this series. So let's finish this with box number 1. Well, I've done like 30 something openings. I don't know, I've done lost count on how many I did, but let's go. This is not box number 1. This is way over box number 1, but these are the Disney Doorables. Let's party pack, and you can either get 5, 6, or 7 of them. No repeats, no repeats. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawer. So let's do this one first. So this one is 2, which I believe it's a repeat. And yes. Let's do this drawer. Okay. This one is 5. Another repeat. Tired of these repeats. Give me ones where I want. So let's do this drawer. 17. Most likely a repeat. Now let's do the double doors. How about this one first? 7, repeat. Jasmine, repeat. Fucking tired of these repeats. Let's do this double door. Come on, 22. And last one in this series. Here's the book cut, which I'm going to do again because I fucked my book up. Okay, last one in this box. Another fucking repeat. 20 repeats.